ito ang ating lunch for today. So may steamed rice, beef bolognese. It's just strange, walang pasta. Itong pasta, separate siya. So may kanya siyang cream. Then make your own salad lang na may ponzu dressing and honey mustard dressing. Minix ko lang. Chicken Florentine niya with spinach and cream.
Train is arriving at Southmont Station.
3 ยอดโปรดใช้ความระมัดระวังขณะก้าวออกจากรถ3 ยอด Station
Hey, good morning everyone. So today it's currently May 18, so it's a Saturday today. Current time natin ngayon is 9:56 in the morning local time, and it's a new day for another adventure. Thank you for joining us. Welcome to Thailand. It will be an interesting day today kasi we have 12 hours here sa Thailand. My wife and I are ultimate foodies. Ang challenge namin today is how many dishes ang kaya naming matry today. It's my first time here in Thailand. We're gonna try to maximize yung 12 hours na to and make sure na masubukan ko lahat ng mga traditional and original na mga dishes ng Thailand. And I'm very excited for our first location. Dito kami ngayon sa Tip Samay. And itong Tip Samay opened in 1939. So legit to guys. So talagang legendary itong location na to. And they're known for their pad thai. So we ordered their original pad thai. And makikita nyo sa video ngayon gaano kasarap ang itsura nito. Noodles with a lot of fixins na may egg siya, covered in egg. Tapos may prawns and then may peanut on the side. Nag-order din ako ng Thai tea, of course, para pang match sa pad thai natin. So I'm very excited. Looking forward to our 12-hour in Thailand video. I don't know what's gonna happen today. So ang current temperature pala ngayon is 31 degrees. So hindi siya ganun kainit, pero manageable naman yung init niya. It's not too hot. Sabi daw uulan, but thankfully hindi naman siya umulan. Let's go. Let's start our first meal of the day. So ito na siya guys. First meal of the day is pad thai. I'm so excited. Ito talaga legit to. Sobrang nakakatakam to. Mura lang din to guys. Sobrang mura. 150 baht, no? So ito ang itsura niya guys. Wow, may mga gulay din siya. Spring onions, I think. May mga bean sprouts na rin. Cheers! Solid. Tapos I think may tofu din. Get some tofu, some egg, then yung noodles. Sobrang creamy niya. Yun yung nagpapasarap dito. It's not dry. Kasi na-try namin sa, even in the UAE, yung mga pad thai nila minsan it's too dry or too bland. This is well seasoned. It's really well seasoned for me. Sobrang rich, sobrang savory. The flavors are good, the texture is there. The egg adds a little bit of saltiness, which is really, really good. It's really nice though. Tapos magka tayo ng lime juice. Pampadagdag ng zinc. Yan, pampabuhay ng lasa. Mix lang natin ng konti. And then we'll add some peanut here. Mix lang natin ulit ng maayos. Okay. Let's go. Yung lime juice brightens up the flavor to another level. Lalo kang mabubuhayan. This is really, really good. It's good for one, which is nice kasi kung nabitin ka, order ka pa ng isa, mura lang naman siya, 150 baht lang. You can order two. But then again, we have to remember 12 hours to guys, so hinay-hinay lang. Enjoy lang tayo, one meal at a time for the day, so this is a must try. Tim Samay, you must go here talaga, try their pad thai. Recommended. Sarap siguro to. Pang chase dun sa pad thai natin. Try natin. Ooh. Wow. Sobrang creamy. Sheesh. Ang sarap. Kakaiba yung lasa niya. It's very rich. Hindi overpowering yung tea. It's a little on the sweet side. Pero I think it's just fine. Ang sarap ng milk. Iba yung lasa ng milk siguro nila combined with the tea. It's a unique taste. So, I recommend i-try nyo rin to pag nag-pad thai kayo. It's a very nice taste. Wow! What a day to start with pad thai. Tim Samay will always be on my mind. Uy! Nag-rhyme yun ah! Sobrang solid talaga to. I'm just so happy to be able to start my day like this. What a good first meal sa araw na ito. How did we get here by the way? So just maybe curious kayo kung paano. So basically from the airport, dumating kami kanina mga 7:30. Nakalabas na kami sa arrivals. So may mga luggages pala kami na iniwan namin sa airport. Just go sa basement floor. And then may mga luggage companies doon na pwede nyong iwan, mura lang. So iniwan namin yung mga malalaking bagahe namin, and then we just took our backpack and then yung mga essentials namin for this day. After all, 12 hours tayo dito sa Thailand, so kailangan komportable tayo at saka dala lang natin yung mga necessary items natin for this 12-hour trip. From the airport, nag-take kami ng 2 rides, total of 2 rides. So airport link, and then mga ilang stop siguro yun, mga 6 siguro na stop. And then sumakay kami ng MRT. After that, lumipat lang kami, umexit kami from the airport link, lumipat kami to another MRT station, and then from there, mga 8 stops lang. So medyo malayo-layo, 1 hour 30 minutes or 40 minutes ang total travel time, but it's worth it, sobrang worth it niya. So ano pang hinintay natin? Let's go to the next destination. Our next location is dito sa Cape Panich. So they are known for their mango sticky rice. Yun yung shop. So from there, tawid ka lang dito, and then dito tayo kakain, and here it is, 125 baht. Looking forward to this. Tingnan natin kung solid to. By the way, meron din silang mga fruit shakes kung gusto nyo. But syempre dito lang tayo. Mga OG lang tayo. Kung ano yung sikat nila, yun yung itatry natin. Meron silang parang pine nut siguro. Lagay lang natin sa one side para may comparison tayo ng lasa ng meron sa wala. So sobrang lambot ng mangga, as in ano yan, oh, walang effort. Then kuha tayo ng with nuts. Okay, then may coconut sauce dito. Here you go. Mangoes are so sweet, tender, straightforward, plain and simple. Sticky rice, masarap. Coconut complements the sweetness of the mango. Perfect dessert, I think. One of the best desserts na dapat mong i-try is mango sticky rice. Mainit-init pa yung sticky rice. Coconut is creamy. Mango refreshing. Perfect balance. It's like the trinity of desserts. Mango, sticky rice, coconut. Perfect combination. Another must try. 2 out of 2 tayo ngayon. Sobrang sarap nito, guys. As in, try nyo. Punta kayo dito. This is a must. First dish, pad thai. Satisfied. Second dish, mango sticky rice. Satisfied. Let's go to our next destination. Ito yung fried oysters. Crispy fried oyster naman. Hello ulit everyone. Time check muna tayo. 11:47 na ngayon. Local time. So right now, we're in our third location. Dito sa Nai Mong Hoi Tot. Yeah, I hope I said that right. So this restaurant is known for their crispy oyster omelette and their fried oyster omelette, and as you can see, yun yung in-order natin ngayon. And tara, tikman na natin to. So ito yung crispy fried omelette nila, oyster omelette. So marami pala silang mga sizes dito. Meron silang small, medium, large, extra large pa nga. So yung small size nila is 100 baht. Ito yun. So it varies according to the quantity. So syempre dahil 12 hours tayo dito, 12 hours tayo sa Thailand. Syempre, ang maganda dito sa Thailand, they have small portions for you to not overcommit yourself and be able to enjoy yung dishes nila. So, kung mabitin ka man, at least pwede kang umorder and hindi ka mapapamahal. So, tara, try na muna natin to. Tapos parang may sweet and sour sauce. Yeah, sarap. Crispy yung omelette. Oysters are fresh, a bit on the salty side, pero sakto lang, balance lang siya. Nice. Sauteed oysters na may bean sprout. Fresh na fresh yung oyster. Hindi siya in-overcook. Yeah, tender pa rin siya, malambot pa din. Ang difference lang nito siguro, ito kasi walang oyster, walang omelette. Kasi same lang din ito. Parang pinatong lang siya. Pinatong lang siya sa crispy omelette. But overall, yeah, it's nice. It's very nice. Sarap din pala tong crispy oyster omelette kasi meron din siyang mga spring onion. So it adds another depth and layer sa overall flavor. So not bad. So ngayon pala, medyo nabubusog na tayo, no? Pero kaya pa yan. Laban lang tayo. Ayan, so tapos na kami. Do I recommend this more than the others? Okay lang naman if you're a fan of oysters, diba? Tsaka yung itlog. You should try it, but it's not really something na overly special or anything. It's just really basic lang, fried egg lang, fried omelette lang na may oyster. The thing with oysters kasi pag talagang fresh siya, di talaga siya masyadong malasa. Tapos lalagyan mo pa ng salty na itlog, di ba, na fried. So, ma-overwhelm na yung oysters talaga. It's basically for texture lang. Pero kung that's your thing and you wanna try it, definitely, if first time nyo, you should try it. Just try it. Wala namang mawawala. Mura lang din naman. Kaya, yeah, I would recommend it if it's your first time and you're curious kung ano yung lasa. Do so. So, tapos na tayo dito. Next location naman tayo. Alright guys, so time check, 1:26 na. Ito pang-apat na to na location natin. Kaya nyo pa ba guys? Ayan, kaya yan. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Prachuap. Since 1909 pa ito guys, so medyo legendary itong location na to. They have sort of a Chinese type of dishes. They're well known for their roast duck at saka yung crispy pork on top of rice or either egg noodles. So in order natin, as you can see, itong roast duck with crispy pork on top ng nasa taas siya ng rice. So tara, let's go. Tikman na natin to. Try muna natin yung duck. Yan siya guys. Tender yung duck. Crispy yung skin. Malinamnam siya. Ang sarap yung parang hoisin or soy sauce na nandito sa taas. Very savory. Then yung pork naman, crispy yung skin, maliliit yung pieces. Not bad. Then yung rice, simple dish lang siya. It's very familiar yung lasa. Pork, duck, na may rice. It's nice. Sarap siya. Not bad. Pero kung tatanungin niyo kung di pa ba ako nakatry nito, I've definitely tried this sa mga Chinese restaurants, so not very Thai. But yeah, it's worth a try. At least nakatry kayo ng food na dating back pa from dating back pa 1909. So very old school talaga na preparation ng food nila. Not bad. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Chatuchak Market. Nasa 5th location na tayo and I'm gonna try this coconut dessert. So nasa bao siya, kabila. Ano man tawag dito? Bao, yan. Na may ice cream, shaved coconut, then may rice. So tikman natin, may jelly din, coconut jelly. So try natin pare-parehas to. Tingnan natin kung okay. Pampalamig dahil sobrang init. Sarap yung coconut ice cream. Naging creamy na siya. Pumili kayo sa coconut, all things coconut. Try nyo to. Refreshing siya. Malamig. Ang sarap. Ang daming texture. Not bad. Saktong-sakto sa summer. Okay guys, so ngayon I think nasa pang-anim na food spot na tayo. Dito pa rin tayo sa Chatuchak Market. Time check muna, 5:37 PM na. So medyo ang tagal nung gap, no, from the last one. Ang Chatuchak Market, isang malaking area siya. So it's like a maze full of shops, anything, mga hobbies, and also food. Nandito tayo ngayon, ipopronounce ko lang, Ran Yam Jae Wang. Kung ultimate foodie ka, so definitely alam mo or kilala mo si Mark Wings, right? Kung nanonood kayo, may video siya na dito siya kumakain ng tom yum. As far as he can recommend, dito daw yung may pinaka masarap na tom yum in Thailand. So that's a big statement coming from Mark Wings himself. So yun yung in-order namin, tom yum. And also I ordered something different kasi curious ako ano yun. Gulay lang siya, stir fry na sunflower sprout with crispy pork. Tapos nag-order din kami dito sa kabilang shop since 1982 daw sila. So OG na daw sila sa pagbenta ng OJ, orange juice. So titikman natin tong orange juice muna habang naghihintay tayo. 40 degrees ang current temperature ngayon. Medyo mainit talaga. So pero bearable naman, kaya naman. Kaya while naghihintay tayo sa order natin, try na muna natin tong OG na OJ, orange juice. Wow. Okay. Wow. It has a perfect balance of sweet and zesty. Parang ganun yung lasa niya. You know it's natural. It's hard to explain, pero alam mo pag nakainom ka ng fresh na orange juice, fresh talaga siya. Pero kung good quality, saktong-sakto yung balance ng pagiging maasim niya sa tamis niya. Perfect quencher to for the summer. Perfect. So kung pupunta kayo dito sa restaurant na to, may orange juice shop dito katabi. Order kayo ng orange juice. Highly recommended. Ang sunflower sprout with crispy pork. So kaya ko to in-order kasi hanggang sunflower seed lang tayo eh. So curious ako anong lasa nitong sunflower sprout. Tikman natin. Hindi na tayo magra-rice guys kasi wala na, busog na. Hindi na kaya ng tangke natin, ng powers. So the texture niya parang bean sprout, lasa niya parang asparagus. Tapos well seasoned, salt and pepper, malinamnam, crunchy, crispy. Tapos ang sarap nung tapos ang sarap nung pork. Pritong-prito talaga yung lasa. It gives off this very nice meaty flavor. So overall lasa nung gulay. Masarap sana kung may rice kaso hindi ko na kaya talaga. Must try to. I will recommend this. Simple pero solid. Pinagmamalaki guys ni Mark Wings. It's a privilege to be here para matry natin tong recommended tom yum ni Mark Wings. Ang laki ng mga prawn. River prawn daw yata tawag dito. Kanya naman yan, no? Daming mga toppings. Yan. Daming prawn. Wow, solid. Solid, ah. Let's begin. Oh, yeah. Well balanced yung flavor. It's not too spicy but there's some spice to it. Malinamnam siya, savory, pero may zing siya. May asim-asim ng konti, ang sarap. Not too thin, not too thick. Perfect yung balance, hindi siya malansa. Solid. Kuha tayo ng isa. Tikman lang natin. Kuha tayo ng, I think may mushroom dito. Yun, mushroom. Ang ganda ng pagkakaluto. Perfect yung prawn. Sobrang init, fresh, hot from the wok. Ang sarap. Yes, I think as far as I can say, sa lahat ng mga tom yum na natikman ko, Mark Wings is really honest with his recommendation. I think that by far this is really the best. Perfect balance of flavors, so many layers na nag-work all together. A must try. Punta na kayo dito, dali. sa airport, guys. Kinuha na namin yung luggage namin. So, dito kami sa basement. So, bago magtapos ang araw natin, hindi kasi namin to na-try, diba? Dun sa mga market, marami tayong nakikita sa mga YouTube ba? Yung mga shake-shake nila, no? So, puti meron dito sa airport, sa baba lang. Hindi pa kami pumapasok mismo sa main entrance ng airport. So, try natin to. Try ko tong mango and avocado duo nila. So, hindi siya ganun ka-common kasi na pagsamahin. So, for me at least. So, na-try ko. Sobrang bigat. Siksik na siksik. Grabe. Tingnan natin kung masarap to.
6 dirhams.
55 baht pala to.
6 dirhams. 5 dirhams. 5 dirhams for that.
Ang galing! Para naglalaban, nagsasabay sila. Malalasahan mo yung mango, and then sisingitan siya ng avocado. Sobrang smooth niya na rich, pero hindi siya sobrang thick. It's hard to explain. Maganda yung balance ng nila. Sarap. Okay, this is nice. Okay, pag magpunta kayo ng Thailand, try nyo dito, if ever. Magaling sila gumawa ng mga shake, honestly. Although ito lang yung na-try namin, but it's good. Ang ganda ng balance. As in, literal, try nyo itong mango and avocado duo. I must try.
Sa pawis mo siya. Wala siya mango nga avocado na same. Wala yung naglabaw nga mga flavor.
Pero alam mo na mango and avocado, yun yung unique dun. Paano nila nagawa yun, na balance yun?
Maybe because of the
What?
because of the fruit.
What because of the fruit?
It's fresh here.
Hindi, paano
Mango
na ano
is
nang siguro nila yun, na measure up na nila yun, paano nila magbabalance.
No. Mango is better here than sa Suwadang.
Yeah, but anyhow, if you put avocado, minsan maglalaban talaga eh. Anyways, it's good. In short, it's just good. Yun na siya.
5 dirhams only. Amazing.
Your flight go to Fukuoka. The boarding time is 5:45 at gate C1A.
Thank you. So, everyone, dito na magtatapos ang ating 12-hour challenge dito sa Bangkok. So, overall, no, kung tatanungin nyo ako kung nasulit ba namin yung 12 hours, most likely, technically, hindi naman masyado kasi parang we've only been to a couple of places, specific places at that, and specifically more on food yung talagang priority namin. So in terms of going to tourist spots and all these famous places dito sa Bangkok, we did not do any of those talaga. So basically it's just food trip lang talaga, solely food tripping lang yung talagang trip namin. But overall, at least I'm happy that I was able to try yung mga OG places and locations. OG Pad Thai to start the day, masarap na mango sticky rice, and all of the things that nasubukan namin. Masasabi ko that at least these are the things na I will not forget. Diba? As I look back on this video, it's a good way to remind myself of where I've been through, or where I've been to. Diba? Pagka nakakatry ka ng mga pagkain nila. So overall, 12 hours, it's very tight, especially if malalayo yung mga locations. You know, we struggled here and there. Ang tagal ng mga timing ng biyahe. We had to take different modes of transportation, from the tram to Grab and all these things. So, but overall it was good. I must say na I enjoyed. Sulit yung mga pinuntahan naming mga restaurants. So na-enjoy namin yung mga pagkain. Nothing was ever really, terrible. Everything was well worth it for the trip. So 12 hours. We hope we'll get to come back again if ever. Yeah, we'll see. But at least nakain namin yung mga gusto namin kainin. So that's the first leg of this trip. Nandito na nga pala kami sa airport ulit. And abangan nyo na lang yung susunod na leg na to, yung second leg. That one I'm really looking forward to. Mas matagal yun ng konti, more longer than this. So just see you guys on the next video. God bless you all.
Welcome to Fukuoka.
So tingnan natin kung masarap yung takoyaki ni tatay. Sobrang lambot niya.